Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use 17 hats. Running a business requires organization and efficiency, which is where 17 hats comes in. It is an all-in-one business management platform designed for freelancers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs to streamline their workflows. This tutorial will guide you through using 17 hats step by step, covering everything from setting up your account to managing clients, projects, calendars, and more. By the end, you'll be able to leverage this powerful tool to enhance your business operations. Get started with 17 Hats. Begin by visiting their official website. On the homepage, you'll find a prominent button labeled Start Your 7-Day Free Trial. Click it to initiate the sign-up process. You will then be prompted to choose from several package options, each offering different features and levels of service. If you are unsure which plan best suits your needs, take a moment to review the descriptions of each package. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be selecting the standard package, which provides a balanced set of tools for managing your business efficiently. Once you have chosen a package, you will need to enter some basic information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After filling in these details, click the Create Account button to complete the sign-up process. Upon successful account creation, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which will initially appear empty. This dashboard serves as your central hub for managing all aspects of your business. From here, you can access and organize essential features, including your client list, projects, invoices, calendars, and important documents. Over time, as you add more data and activity, your dashboard will become a dynamic workspace, giving you a clear overview of your business operations at a glance. Part 2. Setting up contacts, projects, and calendars. When you first land on your dashboard, you will see a Getting Started guide to help you familiarize yourself with the platform. I recommend following the prompts to add your first contact and explore the basic settings. To access settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner. From here, you can customize your preferences, including currency, time zone, and email signature. You can also connect third-party integrations like Google Calendar and ShootProof, which is especially useful for photographers. The first essential step in 17 Hats is adding your business contacts, which can include clients, leads, vendors, and collaborators. To add a contact, go to Contacts from the dashboard and click on Add New Contact. Enter the name, contact type, client, hot lead, cold prospect, or other, and other relevant details. You can choose to categorize the contact as a company rather than an individual if preferred. Once saved, your contact will appear in the contact section, where you can filter by name, tags, or the first letter of their name. You can also search for specific contacts using the search bar. After adding a contact, you can assign them to a new project. Typically, you will only create projects for confirmed clients rather than leads. To create a project, go to the project section and click Create New Project. Assign the contact by selecting them from your contact list. Add a project name, budget, tags, and relevant calendar dates. Click Save. You can now manage this project directly from your project's dashboard, where you can track its status, add tasks, and collaborate with team members. 17 Hats includes a built-in calendar to help you manage appointments and deadlines. You can also connect it to your Google Calendar for seamless integration. To connect your Google Calendar, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Go to Calendars and select Connect Google Calendar. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, any appointments scheduled in 17 Hats will automatically sync to your Google Calendar, making it easy to keep track of your schedule. Part 3. Managing to-do list, documents, workflows, and finances. You can use 17 Hats to create and manage to-do lists for yourself and your team members. To create a to-do list, go to the To-Do section from the main menu and click Add To-Do List. Enter a name for your list. Example, December 5th, and click Save. To add task, click on the list you created. Then click Add to Do. Enter the task details. Assign it to yourself or a team member and set a due date. Once completed, you can check it off to mark it as done. 17 Hats make it easy to create and manage important documents, including invoices, contracts, codes, and questionnaires. To create a document, go to the Documents section, click Add Document, and choose the document type. Example, invoice, code, or contract. Fill in the details, including the recipient's contact information and any necessary pricing, terms, or due dates. Click Save. To send a contract, select a contact from the Contact section. Ensure their email address is added. Create a new project for that contact and, and select Create New. Then choose Contract. Add the necessary details and click Send. Workflows in 17 Hats allow you to automate repetitive processes, such as sending follow-up emails or assigning tasks. To create a workflow, go to Workflows from the dashboard. Click Create Workflow, name your workflow, and click Save. To add actions, choose between automated emails or manual to-do tasks. Set triggers such as the workflow starting immediately or after a certain number of days, and click Save. You can now add this workflow to relevant projects, streamlining your client management process. 17 Hats offers basic bookkeeping features, which is helpful if you don't use separate accounting software. In the bookkeeping section, you can track income and expenses, generate financial reports, and categorize transactions for better financial management. If you prefer more advanced bookkeeping, you can integrate 17 Hats with external accounting tools. The pipeline feature in 17 Hats give you a visual representation of your leads and clients, helping you track their progress. To use the pipeline, go to the pipeline section, add leads by selecting hot lead or other contact types, and view them in different stages. Example, inquiry, proposal, or book. To access full pipeline features, you will need to upgrade to the Premier package, which offers enhanced lead tracking capability. To optimize your use of 17 Hats, consider using tags to categorize contacts and projects, making them easier to filter and search. Leverage tokens in contacts and emails to auto-populate client details. Explore integrations to streamline your business processes, such as connecting to payment gateways or marketing tools. Take advantage of the 17 Hats support resources, including webinars and help articles. In conclusion, by following this step-by-step tutorial, you'll be able to use 17 Hats effectively to manage your business. From client management and invoicing to calendar scheduling and workflows, this platform offers a comprehensive solution to streamline your operations. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring 17 Hats additional resources or upgrading to unlock more advanced features. With the right setup, 17 Hats can save you time, reduce administrative headaches, and help you focus on growing your business. And that is all there is on how to use 17 Hats. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.